Friends, namaskar. Today I shall be again thanking you uh, and hoping that you are celebrating the great event that today has happened. That India has become the first country to launch its uh, launch and mm, land its equipment on the south pole of the moon. And in this event, and India has become the fourth state to send its equipment on uh, on the surface of the moon. So it is a very great day today that has happened. The event at 6:04 p.m. on 23rd of August. So now let us uh, not forget the great event was possible only by the contribution made by the 54 women, and one of the great name that emerged out of it, the Lucknow women or Lucknow girl, who is also known as the rocket women of India. He has started his journey from the Lucknow, and in Saint Anjani schools he has uh, uh, received her education, and thereafter she went to Naujuk Kanya Inter College, and there he completed his intermediate, and thereafter she went to PG College, and she completed her BSc degree there, and she also went to the Lucknow University and she did her MSc in the physics in the Lucknow University. So now we just like to know what was her choices in the childhood. When she was studying as a child, she was always seeing the sky and the stars, and she was very much interested to know the nature of the sky and all the celestial bodies. And this is the interest has generated in her, and belonging to the middle class family, she today reached the highest top post, and remembered and known for the rocket science. As a student, she was very closely watching the event and collecting the cuttings of the different papers which had the news regarding the NASA event and the events of the ISRO. And her height is 5 foot 6 inches, and she has a 60 kg weight. And this small woman has become now a great inspiration for all the women of the not only of India but also the whole of the world. And she was the brain behind the Chandrayaan 2, and she was the leader of the project mission director. But due to some small mistake, it was not possible to safely land the Chandrayaan 2 there because of the high speed at the time of landing. And thereafter, the Chandrayaan 3 was being sent, and in sending this mission, Chandrayaan 3, there were 54 women along with her. So in this mission, there was a gender that is cooperated, and that went in the favor of the India, and in making the history of India. The empowerment of the women was also a very big event, and both male and female both have contributed equally. The Ritu srvastava has a very important role to play with the launching of the Chandrayaan 3. And as per his family, she had uh, two brothers, namely uh, mm, two brothers and one sister. And I think that the women today in India has been uh, learning a lot of lesson from her, and I think that her name will be written in the golden words in the coming days, and many of the girls of the India and the world make her a role model. So thank you for this great event that will not only be known only for the great feat that India has achieved by safe landing in the southern pole of moon, but also it will be known because of the 54 women were uh, were giving their efforts, had put their efforts in this event, and so this day will also be known for the empowerment of the women. So once again, I thank you for this event, and congratulate you for both that the India has achieved the one of the uh, uh, best feat in the field of space science, and created a history. And on the other side, it is a positive thing that the Indian women empowerment has also taken a place. So these two things will inspire a lot to make our nation great. Thank you very much.